Hi everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to become a pro at Roblox Obbies. So let's get right into this YouTube video. So as you guys may know, I've made a ton of difficulty chart obby videos, and I have been able to make that pretty far on them. So yeah, I'll be teaching you guys how to get really far on difficulty chart obbies too, just like that. So basically, the biggest thing that I do to get really good is I search up in the chat, or like in the search, difficulty chart obby. And then I always play one that I haven't played. Like, I go through them, and I played pretty much every single difficulty hobby that's on the front screen. But I scroll down further, and whenever I see a good difficulty hobby, I would play it. Like that I don't recognize that I played. Like maybe this one, which I actually have played. But like I click on it, and then I always favorite and like every single difficulty hobby pretty much that I play. So that's how I know I've played it. So that's a really good way to mark that you played a difficulty hobby or whatever. Like that's in my opinion the best way to mark that you played it. Give like it, favorite it, whatever. It's really good. It's a good way to mark how you like if you played it or not. And then just play it and see how far you can get. And let's say there's something you do not know how to do. Like let's say there's like a corner clip or something in the difficulty hobby. Then the best thing for that is just go on YouTube and search up a video on how to corner clip. And then just keep practicing it. Like either stay in that game and just practice it in that game, or you can go to a different game dedicated to corner clipping and practice it in that game, or whatever glitch that you're having a hard time with. That's the biggest thing for glitches. That is the biggest way to get good at them, because glitches are normally the hardest thing to do, or wraparounds. But wraparounds, the biggest way to get good at those is just wraparound difficulty hobbies. Those are really good for getting good at wraparounds. They have a ton of wraparounds in them. And wraparounds are definitely one of the hardest part of difficulty hobbies normally. Even for me, that's still probably the hardest part of difficulty hobbies for me. But yeah, that's definitely a really good way to practice them. And if you want to, like, some glitches I know are extremely hard. Like, there are some that I still can't even do. Like, dance rap, I still don't even get how to do it at all. I've tried multiple times, but can't. So, the best way to get those glitches down are just keep on just searching up different videos on it and just practicing. And eventually you'll get it. That's what happened to me with dance clip and corner clip. I used to be really bad at those until I practiced them a ton and played difficulty hobbies, and then I got really good at them. And yes, another really, really good way to get good in good at obbies in a different way is Obby Royale. This is a really, really good game for it. And I don't know why it's not working. Okay, there we go. But yeah, Obby Royale, it is not like Obby King. This is a really extremely buffed version of Obby King, which basically just means it's way harder than Obby King, like a ton times harder. And yeah, like all of the maps are really hard, except like there's like 2 or 3 that are really easy. But yeah, this is an extremely fun and good game. It's pretty much like Obby King, but extremely hard version of it. There are no glitches required for any of the maps, really. Like most of the maps, there are no glitches. Some of the newer ones there are glitches, but they do add new maps every once in a while. They do add new maps, but otherwise, yeah, it's basically just battle against each other, like 1v, like it's you versus everyone else that's in the server, and yeah, you get eliminated. It's kind of like the Obby King system. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, that's definitely a really good way to get good. Like I used to play this a ton. Well, I still play it a lot, but yeah, like now, like this was a really good way of how I got good. This is probably the way I got good mostly. Difficulty hobbies did quite a bit to helping me get good, but Obby Royale did a lot. It was really, really helpful because some of the maps, it depends. Some of them are extremely hard. Some of them, like all of them, practice different skills. That's what I really like about it. Like some, there's a lot of wraparounds in them. Some there's head hitters, like humongous, really hard ones. Some of them there's like lodges and harder things, like just harder things that you can do. There's not really that many glitches in it, so you guys should know how to do most of the stuff. It's just hard. But yeah. That is the way. Those are the ways of getting good at hobbies, in my opinion. It's just practicing. Just keep practicing. Like every day, do like one difficulty hobby or so, or every like couple days or every week. Just do a difficulty hobby or two, and you'll eventually get really good fast. That's a very, very basic way of how you get really good on Roblox. So yeah, if you guys have any videos you want me to make or video suggestions, leave them in the comments. And remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and search wall. And I'll see you next video. Bye everybody.